Okay, food delivery. Anything? Oh, akin yung cake. Sus. May birthday, may birthday. Wait lang, nagmamadali ako, nagmamadali. Asa na? Nagmamadali ako. Teka. Ayan, so fast. It's so fast. Okay. Birthday boy. Delivery sa school niya. Special naman itong mga estudyante na to ngayon, may birthday. Hindi, si Pamangkin!
Yung isa may kamata. Isa nagano na.
Gumaling na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kian. Happy birthday to you. Okay, hep.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kian. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle. Okay. Yay! Happy birthday.
Alam ko yung wish.
Yung nakarinig. Ito na nga, oh, yung nakarinig ka may birthday, nagmamadali ka, pero yung tsinelas, oh, siguro, takot maubusan ng, ng Shanghai, tapos ng spaghetti.
Siyempre, di mawawala ang ating dito.
Oy! Okay, this is how we drink in Philippines. We celebrate birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, say hi. Johnson?
You use
What?
these glasses for eye protection.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yes.
And you look handsome. Oh. How about that stomach? Why this one is so big?
Because I eat too much.
And no exercise. And no exercise.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's big.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.